Hey everyone, welcome back to ModestMoney.com's YouTube channel. Today I'm diving into Sharesight, a fantastic tool for tracking and managing your investments. Managing investments can often feel overwhelming, but that's exactly where Sharesight aims to help. Personally, I've found it incredibly helpful in keeping all my investments organized and easy to monitor. Sharesight simplifies the process, helping you stay on top of your portfolio with ease. It's designed to not just track your investments, but also to offer valuable insights into how they're performing. One of the things I love about Sharesight is its ability to consolidate all my investments in one place. Whether it's stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or even custom investments like real estate. With support for over 30 global stock exchanges, it's a one-stop solution for investors worldwide. Plus, they offer over 200 software, broker, and partner integrations, making it super versatile. Sharesight isn't just about numbers, it's about community too. With a 300,000 strong investor community, you're in good company. This platform is trusted by a huge network of investors, which really speaks to its reliability and effectiveness. But is it right for you? Why do so many trust its service? Stay tuned as I explore what makes Sharesight a go-to tool for some investors. If you're interested, don't forget to check the link in the description to get 33% off your membership price. Let's get started. I want to start by looking at what other users say about the Sharesight in order to give you a more well-rounded perspective. As you can see, they have a 4.1 out of 5 score from over 400 reviewers, which is considered great. Let's dig into a few of these reviews to get some specifics. This reviewer mentions one of the useful features Sharesight offers its users, its tax reporting feature. Keeping track of your taxable income can be a headache, but Sharesight takes the hassle out of it with its comprehensive taxable income report. So, what's so great about this feature? Well, for starters, it neatly lists all the essential details you need for your tax return. This includes net dividends, tax credits, tax deducted, TFN withholding tax, and gross dividends. It's designed to provide all the portfolio-related information you need to complete your tax return accurately and efficiently. But is it right for you? And why do so many trust its service? One of the things I love about Sharesight's tax reporting is the customizable date range selector. You can easily choose the period for which you want to run the report, and by default, it shows the current tax year. This flexibility ensures that you get the exact data you need, when you need it. Another great feature is the ease with which you can download your reports. Sharesight allows you to export your taxable income report as a PDF, XLSX, or even open it directly in Google Drive. This makes it super convenient to share with your accountant or keep for your records. Let's hop back over to these reviews and see what else users like about them. This user uses a dividend reinvestment plan and really likes the dividend features offered, as do I. If you're like me and love to keep a close eye on your dividend income, you're going to appreciate what Sharesight offers. With Sharesight's dividend tracking, you can easily manage and track all your dividend payments in one place. As seen in the image, you get a detailed view of each holding's distributions, including payment dates, gross payment amounts, tax deducted, and net payments. This level of detail ensures you're always on top of your dividend income. I really like the future income feature, which shows all you need to know about your upcoming dividends. It helps you understand your gross earnings from dividends after tax, both domestic and foreign tax, which international investors can really appreciate. Sharesight even allows you to add manual trades or adjustments and distributions, offering complete flexibility and control over your dividend data. Whether you're a DIY investor or working with an accountant, having your dividend information readily available and in a format that suits you is invaluable. Let's dig into some more reviews. This reviewer is happy with his overall experience and mentions how great the customer service is, which is something I saw in the few other reviews as well. He mentions how he invested in the investor level, which is the perfect segue to get into Sharesight's pricing. Sharesight offers a range of pricing plans designed to fit various needs and investment sizes. The free plan is a great starting point for beginners. It allows you to manage one portfolio with up to 10 holdings. You also get access to basic support and limited reporting features, all at no cost. If you need more advanced features, the starter plan is priced at $7 per month when billed annually, or $9.33 monthly. This plan supports one portfolio with up to 30 holdings and includes 3 custom groups, limited reporting, and standard support. For more seasoned investors, the investor plan costs $18 per month if billed annually, or $24 monthly. This plan provides support for up to 4 portfolios with unlimited holdings, 5 custom groups, and advanced reporting features. Standard support is also included. For those with extensive investment portfolios, the Expert plan is available at $23.25 per month, billed annually, or $31 monthly. This plan includes up to 10 portfolios with unlimited holdings, 10 custom groups, full reporting capabilities, and priority support. Each plan includes a 7-day free trial, allowing you to explore Sharesight's features and determine which plan best suits your needs. And remember, by signing up using my exclusive link in the description, you can save up to 33% on Sharesight and learn more about each plan to decide which one fits your investment strategy best. All right, one more thing I want to discuss is the dashboard of Sharesight. When you log in, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that makes tracking your investments a breeze. One thing I really appreciate about the Sharesight dashboard is its simplicity. Right from the main screen, you get a clear visual representation of your portfolio's performance over time. The graph is easy to read and provides a view of your holdings in a way that's both comprehensive and easy to digest. The drop-down menus allow you to see your portfolio in different ways for deeper understanding. You can filter your view by various time periods, such as since first purchase, in the last year, or even in the last week. This flexibility allows you to customize the data you see, making it easier to analyze your portfolio's performance over different timeframes. You can also group your data by different categories like market, currency, sector classification, and more. This is particularly useful for those of us who like to dissect our investments from multiple angles to get a deeper understanding of where our money is and how it's performing. The last thing I must mention is Sharesight's security. Security is a big deal for me, and Sharesight doesn't disappoint. They use two-factor authentication to keep accounts safe and encrypt all data transmissions with TLS standards. Their servers are heavily protected and monitored 24/7, which is pretty reassuring. Plus, they integrate with Google's identity service for an extra layer of security. Knowing this makes me feel a lot more comfortable using their platform. All right, everyone, that wraps up my deep dive into Sharesight. Sharesight has truly impressed me with its comprehensive suite of features designed to make tracking and managing investments a breeze. From the intuitive dashboard and customizable reporting options to the robust tax and dividend tracking capabilities, Sharesight covers all the bases. If you're considering giving Sharesight a try, remember that you can save up to 33% by using the exclusive link in the description below. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or a seasoned investor looking for advanced tools, Sharesight has a plan that can fit your needs. Personally, I found the platform incredibly user-friendly and insightful. So, is Sharesight the right tool for you? For me, the ability to integrate with over 200 brokers and financial services, the support from a community of over 300,000 investors, and the detailed insights it offers make it absolutely worth it. The peace of mind that comes with having all your investments neatly tracked and analyzed in one place is invaluable. Thanks for tuning in to modestmoney.com's YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time.